That's a bird.
Simba's eating that little bird? Uh-oh. Poor little bird. Hey, have you ever been to the zoo?
Yes.
Yes, when did you go?
A young time ago.
What was your favorite animal?
A lion.
Oh, yeah? Which zoo is your favorite zoo?
San Antonio.
The San Antonio Zoo?
And I have blue elephants jumping by.
You love blue elephants tromping by? You do. Tell me, do you know where you live?
America.
America?
America.
The United States of America. What city is this?
The United States.
Well, where else? What has all the hippos?
Hold on.
Mm-hmm. What, do you know what state this is?
Texas.
That's right. It's the Lone Star State.
The elephant can't get around.
Do you know
The
what?
elephant can't get around this pit.
Oh,
It's
he can't.
so deep in bed.
Oh no, who put that big deep pit there?
I don't know.
Oh,
He can't jump, and he can't swim, and he can't dig.
oh no, what will he do? Can he fly?
He can't.
Oh.
There are no wings.
Oh, a Dumbo didn't have wings, but he could fly.
I think of have his ears.
Can he fly with his ears?
No, he.
Oh, he can't? Well, I don't know what to tell you.
His tail.
Maybe he should get a skateboard and a big ramp and try to jump over.
But he can't do that.
Why not?
Because he's so big, he would crush it.
Oh, well, maybe you're right. Okay, well, can you sing me a song?
We're going around the body.
Well, you just watched that video. Okay.
What about over here?
Well, okay, wait, I'm going to turn